In Japanese culture, an eggplant is one of the most auspicious things that can appear in one's first dream of the year. As the Japanese put it, ichi fuji nitaka san nasubi. Best is Fuji, second is hawk, and third is an eggplant. That eggplant ranks among such powerful symbols speaks to its elevated status in Japanese cuisine. And perhaps no eggplant is more highly prized than Kamonasu, or Kamo Eggplant, a round variety that is grown in the Kamigamo-Kitaku region of Kyoto. This area of the city features two famous shrines, Kamigamo and Shimogamo, designated as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Both shrines were established 100 years before Kyoto was founded as Heian, the imperial capital of Japan, in 794. Eggplant was first domesticated from its wild forms in the Indo-Burma region of tropical Asia, one of the most diverse and now one of the most threatened bioregions on Earth. It arrived in China as early as 59 BC during the Han Dynasty. It reached Japan in about the 8th century during the time of the Tang Dynasty in China. Kamonasu seeds collected in the precincts of Kamigamo's shrine were shared among families and passed down from generation to generation. While many Asian eggplant varieties are long and slender, Kamo is round. Inside its shiny, deep purple pericarp, the flesh is firm, sweet, and delicious. It's no wonder that people often refer to it as the Queen of Eggplants. Vegetables occupy a central role in traditional Japanese food, and Kyoto's distinctive vegetable-centric cuisine, or Kyo-ryori, has its roots in the imperial court and Buddhist temples, serving shojin-ryori, or devotion cuisine, during the Heian period. It emphasizes the use of fresh, seasonal ingredients, almost always vegetarian, skillfully prepared and artfully presented. But these heirloom ingredients faced a crisis in the 1970s as Japanese tastes were shifting. 30 years ago, in an attempt to collect and save them from extinction, Kyoto officials developed a program naming the region's most historically significant heirlooms as brand Kyo-yasai. The label is attached to more than 30 varieties, including Kamonasu eggplant, Kujo onion, and Shogoin radish. Only varieties originating before the Meiji Restoration, which began in 1868, are eligible to be Kyo-yasai. To earn the brand Kyo-yasai label, they must also have been grown in Kyoto Prefecture under strict, environmentally friendly growing practices. About 2/3 of Kyoto's commercial production of Kamo eggplant happens in Kameoka, in the southern part of Kyoto Prefecture. The plants are grown outdoors in an open field, not in greenhouses. Overseen by the J.A. Kyoto Vegetable Association, the eggplants are grown in rotation with rice, a process that helps manage soil-borne diseases. The harvest volume in a single year can easily exceed 110 tons. In Kyoto, Kamo eggplant is prepared as miso dengaku, grilled slices of eggplant topped with a thick, savory miso, and shigiyaki, grilled or fried eggplant served with miso and sesame. Chefs who are particular about quality and taste value Kamo eggplants highly and sometimes face fierce competition to acquire only the best of the harvest. Kamo eggplant is a super heat and humidity tolerant plant, and it doesn't like cool weather. It likes fertile, well-drained soil and a sunny, warm location. Thanks so much for watching Seed Stories. We love bringing you the backstory on these amazing varieties. Be sure to click the subscribe button so you won't miss a single episode.